Okay, magandang araw po. So, for our topic for today is regarding compaction and permeability. But let's tackle first regarding soil compaction topic. So, what we have here are the formulas regarding soil compaction. So, basically, yung iba dito, medyo familiar na kayo dahil galing lang din mismo itong mga formulas na to kay first topic, which is the topic of soil composition and soil properties. So, we have the formula of moist unit weight, the dry unit weight of soil, the dry unit weight with a given moisture content and degree of saturation, the zero air void unit weight. And sa part naman na to, galing naman ito mismo kay sand cone method ng field dry unit weight test ng ating compaction. So, para mas maintindihan natin, let's take an example regarding this topic. So, may prepare na po ako dito na questions. So, first one, we have an embankment with a total volume of 20,000 cubic meter is to be constructed as part of a highway project. The soil to be used in the embankment will come from a borrow pit where the average moisture weight and water content of the soil is 17.6 kN per cubic meter and 12% respectively. Assuming that the soil will be compacted to a dry density of 18.2 kN per cubic meter at a moisture content of 16%, we have to compute for these parameters. We have the weight of dry soil, the volume borrow soil required, and the total quantity of water in liters that must be added to the field during compaction to get a final moisture content of 16% from a moisture content of 12% that will come from a borrow soil. So, when dealing with this kind of problems, this problem is regarding compacted soil and borrow soil. So, pag nabanggit na yung dalawa, we just have to assume that the weight of solid or soil particles ng ating borrow soil ay equivalent kay weight of solid or soil particles ng ating compacted soil. Dahil kung ano yung kukunin mo mismo kay borrow soil, ilalagay natin kay compacted fill, parehas din kanilang soil particles. Para mas makompact natin, mas maigi yun, nagdadaglag po tayo ng tubig para mas makompact. So, yung void part lang po mismo yun. Hindi natin ginalaw mismo yung solid part. Ang ginalaw lang natin po yung liquid part ng ating soil. So, we have to assume that Ws of borrow soil is equivalent to Ws of compacted soil. So, let's analyze the given problem. Let's list down what are the given under borrow soil and then compacted soil. Pag sinabing embankment, that will be the parameters of compacted soil. So, yung embankment natin may volume na 20,000 cubic meter, yun din yung volume ng ating compacted soil. So, 20,000 cubic meter. And then, the soil that will be used will come from a borrow pit, which has a moist unit weight of 17.6 kilonewton per cubic meter, a moisture content of 12%. Assuming that the soil will be compacted, so from this part, to a dry density of 18.2 kilonewtons per cubic meter to a moisture content of 16%. So, kung mas mapapansin nyo, yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung moisture content palagi ay nagiging mas mataas under compacted part kasi nagdadagdag po tayo ng tubig. But then yung solid part, parehas pa rin po. Hindi natin po kinalaw. So, Ws po yung kailangan. Ngayon, sa mga given po nating parameters, wala po tayong Ws. But, from the first topic, soil properties, may mga quantities po tayo or formulas wherein we can get the value of Ws using these given parameters. And from the formulas, you can get that Ws is a product of gamma dry of soil and the total volume. So, parehas lang sila ni compacted soil. So, we have here the gamma dry of compacted soil is already given. Also, the volume of compacted soil. And then, the gamma dry borrow soil, wala po tayong binigay. Gamma dry. But, the moisture weight of borrow soil is given. And we have a relationship formula of dry unit weight, moist unit weight of soil with respect to moisture content. And from that formula, gamma dry is moist unit weight over 1 plus moisture content multiplied by the volume for the borous soil. And magre-retain lang mismo yung gamma dry and then volume ng compacted soil since given na po mismo yung sa ating problem. And then substituting the given, we have the moist unit weight of borous soil. Ito po yun, binigay na. Over 1 plus. The moisture content of borous soil, binigay na din. It should be in decimal form. And then the volume of borous soil is still unknown, which is our second requirement. The dry weight of our compacted soil is already given, 18.2. The volume of compacted soil is also given. So, substitute. Isa na lang po yung ating unknown. So, makukuha natin yung volume ng borous soil and that is 23,163.636 cubic meter. So, paano natin malalaman kung tama po yung sagot natin? Ito po. Para mas mag-sure po tayo, yung volume ng borous soil po palaging mas malaki yung value niya kay compacted soil. Kasi nga, medyo loose po yung boro natin. And then, i-compact po natin para maging mas maliit po yung kanyang volume. So, since mas malaki naman yung volume ng borous soil kay compacted soil, medyo okay po yung ating sagot. And we have now the answer for the second requirement. Yung first requirement po natin, the weight of dry soil. Dry soil is solid or soil particles. Ito po mismo yun. At meron tayong kanyang formula. Ito po yung value or pwede natin gamitin mismo yung soil or dry soil formula ng ating boro. So, maalin lang po, parehas lang din po yung ating makukuhang value. So, to get that, weight of dry soil or weight of solid is equivalent to gamma dry multiplied by the volume. Meron tayong gamma dry ng compacted soil, 18.2 multiplied by the volume of the compacted soil, 20,000 cubic meter. And then, the product will be 364,000 kilo newtons. Or, pwede natin gamitin mismo yung formula ng dry soil ni borous soil, which is this quantity. That is gamma over 1 plus moisture content multiplied by the volume of borous soil. What is moisture content? 17.6. 1 plus 0.12. The volume of borous soil, nakuha na po natin, 163.636 cubic meter. And parehas lang po yung makukuha yung sagot. And that will be the requirement for our first parameter, unknown. And then the last unknown will be the total quantity of water liters that must be added para maging 16% po yung moisture content natin from 12%. So yun po yung sinasabi ko kanina. Nagdadagdag po tayo ng tubig para mas makompact po natin kaya naging 16% po. Ano daw po yung volume o quantity ng water? So the unknown quantity is volume of water. And from our first topic, sabi ko nga, pag volume of water, yung unknown, palagi natin siyang binibase sa formula ni unit weight of water. And we know that unit weight of water is the ratio of the weight of water and volume of water. So, ito na yung unknown natin. So, para makuha natin, kailangan natin mismo yung quantity ng weight of water and the unit weight of water. So, from that formula, we can say that volume of water is equivalent to weight of water over unit weight of water. But, unit weight of water is a constant. And that is equivalent to 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. So, para makuha natin mismo yung unknown natin, kailangan na lang natin mismo ng weight of water. So, saan natin siya i-base? I-base mo natin yung volume weight of water from the first topic again, yung mga formulas doon, properties. Mag-iisip ka lang mismo ng property ng soil na involve yung weight of water. Wherein, nandito dapat sa mga binigay na parameters. And weight of water, pwede natin yun i-relate kay moisture content. Dahil ang moisture content is the ratio of weight of water with respect to the weight of soil particles. So by cross multiplication, we can say that weight of water is a product of moisture content and weight of soil particles. So from that, substitute lang natin dito sa formulang to, we can say that volume of water is equivalent to weight of water, product ng moisture content, and weight of soil particles, and the unit weight of water. Since ang hinahanap natin kanina ay volume of water in liters that must be added. Since yung idadagdag lang mismo yung kailangan natin, dapat yung moisture content dito should be yung moisture content na dinagdag lang din para makuha natin mismo yung volume of water na dinagdag mismo natin. So, volume of water added is equivalent to the moisture content added, 16% minus 12%, that is 4%. It should be in decimal form, 0.04. Multiplied by WS. Ang WS natin, nakuha na natin 364,000 kilonewtons over the constant quantity unit weight of water 9.81 kilonewtons per cubic meter. So cancel yung kilonewton part. Ang magiging or unit natin dito is in cubic meters, but yung ating unknown, the volume of water should be in liters. So, para maging liters yung cubic meter mismo, multiply natin yung sagot dito by 1,000 liters per cubic meter para mag-cancel yung cubic meter na unit. And yung maging unit natin is in terms of liters. So, the final answer would be 1,484,199.796 liters. And that will be the answers for the given problem, which is problem number 1.